In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect Shopify to AliExpress so that you can import products, and also how you can fulfill orders automatically so you don't have to do everything manually, and this will save you a lot of time and energy. So all you have to do, guys, is drop a like on this video. That would be highly appreciated if you can do that. So let's get started right now. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, and the second thing you need to do, guys, is to download an app. It's called Deezers. So this is a very important app, guys. You want to go to your Shopify store and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then in the top right you want to click on Shopify App Store. So this will take you directly to Shopify App Store. You want to search for Deezers. Okay, so this is the name of the app. It's called Deezers AliExpress Dropshipping. Now this will help you connect your Shopify to AliExpress. Okay, this will make sense in a few seconds. I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use this in a few seconds. Now you want to click on Add App, and after, guys, you click on Add App, you want to click on Install App in the top right. Okay, and after, guys, you click on Install App, Shopify will take you directly to Deezers. So you will have to create an account on Deezers. So I already did that, so that's why this email here, it says here your Shopify email address have been used to create Deezers account. Login name, if this is your registers, like, you can try to log in. So I'm just going to, for you will only find here two different options: create an account for you and register yourself. So I would suggest clicking register yourself. Okay, this is what you need to click, guys. It's called register yourself. And after that, you just want to create an account on Deezers. That's it. It's very simple. It's easy. So I'm going to do that right now. After, guys, you create an account on Deezers, what you need to do, guys, next is you wanna you will find that your account will be your Shopify will be linked to Deezers. Okay, this will make sense in a few seconds. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is in the top left you want to click on Home, and then you want to click on Chrome extension here, and you want to click on Add to Chrome. Now for me, I already have it. I'm going to uninstall it and install it again. So as you can see, you want to click on Add extension, and you have to add this extension to your Google Chrome. So after you do this, guys, you want to click on extensions in the top right, extensions. Click on it and then click on Deezers. Okay, as you can see, it says here Deezers AliExpress.com. You want to pin this. Okay, you want to pin it in the top. Click it. And as you can see, it's pinned in the top. You want to click on it, and then you want to click on Deezers, as you can see. Now you just want to log in again. Okay, all right, now we have successfully added our added our extension. So now you have successfully linked AliExpress to your Shopify. Now you might say, okay, how this thing works? It's very easy. I'm going to explain to you right now how you can let me show you guys right now how this thing works. Now you want to go to your AliExpress. You can find any product on AliExpress. Like, let's say you want to import any product, let's say this one. By the way, Deezers will take care of everything. If someone buys the product from you on Shopify, Deezers will fulfill the orders automatically, and you will add the tracking number automatically. So it will save you a lot of time. You just want to pay at once. Like, for example, if you have like 100 orders, you can pay for them at once. You don't have to do everything one by one. Okay, that's what I like about Deezers. Now at the very bottom, if you see a product you like and you want to import it to your Shopify, just want to click on Add to Deezers at the very bottom. And as you can see, it says here importing, and AliExpress product import success. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to go to your Deezers, and then you want to click on import list in the left, and you will find that product here. This is the product that we have imported. Now you want to click on push to Shopify, this orange icon. Click on it, and then you want to click on also publish to online store, and here you have to select your online store. So for me, I have two accounts, two online stores. That's why I have to check both of them or one of them. Now for you may not have that option because you you only have like one Shopify store. So you just want to select the Shopify store, and then you want to click on push to Shopify, and you will find that product on your Shopify. Okay, you just want to go to your Shopify, and then you want to click on products. Yeah, and you will find that product here. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can connect AliExpress to Shopify using Deezers. Okay, Deezers is very popular. If you don't know, guys, how to fulfill orders automatically, all you have to do, guys, is drop a like on this video and click the video on the screen, and you will be able to learn how you can fulfill orders if you get a sale on Shopify after you promote the product, guys, on Facebook ads or TikTok organic free traffic. You can then fulfill all the orders automatically. Click the video on the screen and drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.